Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by building the UI scaffold so changes map to data. Create a canvas and add a panel with toggle, slider, and drop-down controls. Wire each control to a public field in a settings script. Then create a settings scriptable object or plain C hash class to hold defaults and runtime values so you can save and load. Once done, set up input mappings for key bindings using input actions or the input manager. This ensures UI reflects actual control state. Now connect UI events to behavior. In awake or on enable, subscribe to on value changed, and on click so UI updates runtime settings immediately. Convert control outputs to proper types. Map slider to volume, float 0, 1, drop down to quality index, int, toggle to Boolean vsync. Make methods that apply settings to audio mixer, quality settings, and screen. Asterisk so changes take effect. Also implement save and load using player prefs or JSON. Finish by adding apply and reset flows. Apply should push values into audio mixer, quality settings, and input mappings, then call your save routine. Reset restores defaults and updates the UI. Make sure to load saved settings early in the startup sequence so UI shows correct values without visible jumps. If things go wrong, check that UI events are wired, player prefs keys match, and there are no null references. Use logs to trace value flow and ensure methods run in the correct execution order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.